In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily duplicate a section in the Wix editor. If you're looking to streamline your website design process and create multiple sections without starting from scratch each time, stick around because this is going to be incredibly helpful. First and foremost, ensure you're already logged into your Wix account and have navigated to the Wix editor for your chosen website. It's where all the magic happens and allows for a great deal of customization, enabling you to design the website of your dreams. Now, once you're in the editor, let's focus on selecting the section that you wish to duplicate. This could be any existing section on your page, perhaps a beautifully designed contact area, a testimonial zone, or maybe a featured products list that's already perfectly aligned and styled to your liking. Once you have identified that section, take a moment to hover over it with your mouse. As you do, you'll notice that the section becomes highlighted, indicating that it is selectable and ready for editing. With it highlighted, go ahead and click on the section to ensure it's fully selected. This step is crucial as you need to interact directly with the section you wish to duplicate. Having selected the section, you'll now want to right-click on it. By doing so, a menu will appear, providing you with several options tailored for editing and managing your section. Your main focus here should be on the options that pertain to copying and duplicating. Now, you have a couple of choices. If you'd like to move the section to a different location on the same page, you can use the copy and paste functionality. Select Copy from the menu, then scroll to the area on the page where you want the duplicate to appear. Right-click at the desired location and select Paste. This is especially useful if you want to add a different design element between the original and the duplicated section. However, if your goal is to have an exact duplicate directly following your initial section, simply select Duplicate from the right-click menu. When you choose this option, the duplicate section will automatically appear just beneath the original one. It's straightforward, effective, and saves you a lot of time and effort in replicating design settings. And there you have it. By using the Wix editor, you can easily duplicate sections, saving time and allowing you to maintain consistent styling across your website. These simple yet powerful steps will significantly enhance your website building efficiency, leaving you with more time to refine your content and engage with your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing what you create using these nifty tips.